And here's a table looks like Home the End of the World, and was printed on October 15th, 2004. And this has Black Reels on it, so I need to watch this film. So I need to watch this movie. There we go. Yeah.
So listen, here's the deal. This is what we should do. You should get off the train with me here in Vienna and come check out the town. What? Come on, I'll be fine. All right. Think of it like this. Jump ahead 10, 20 years, and you're married. Only your marriage doesn't have that same energy that it used to have. You start to think about all those guys you've met in your life and what might have happened if you picked up with one of them. Let me get my bag.
9 years ago, two strangers met by chance and spent a night in Vienna that ended before sunrise.
Paris, 2004.
They're about to meet for the first time since.
Hi.
Hello.
I can't believe you're here.
Well, I live here in Paris.
I wanted to talk to you for so long, you know that now.
Me too. How long do we have? 20 minutes and 30 seconds?
No,
Let's
we
go.
got more than that.
Now they have one afternoon to find out if they belong together.
I remember that night better than I do entire years.
Do I look any different? I do.
I have to see you naked.
What?
Come here. Let's get on that boat. Come on, it'll be fun.
You don't have time.
Oh, God, why don't we exchange phone numbers and stuff? Why don't we do that?
Past is the past. It was meant to be that way.
What? You really believe that? I have these dreams. I'm in the car, and a buddy of mine is driving me downtown, and I'm staring out the window, and I think I see you.
What does it mean, the right man? The love of your life? The concept is absurd. The idea that we can only be complete with another person is evil, right?
I'm just happy to see you, even if you've become an angry, manic-depressive activist. I still like you. I still enjoy being around you. If somebody were to touch me, I would dissolve into molecules.
I want to see if you stay together or if you dissolve into molecules.
How am I doing?
What if you had a second chance with the one that got away? Before Sunset. Look for it on DVD.
Cheers to Hank.
Love everybody you can. Love your kids, love your wife. And then once, just once, try somebody else just because it feels good. Your wife, you know, maybe living exactly according to these principles.
What do we do?
I don't know.
Should we stop this? Should we stop?
I don't want to stop. I don't either.
Brought home a present. You right there, princess?
Yeah, I'm fine, you competitive jerk.
You lied to me. So confront him.
Your husband making passes at my wife, how do you feel about that?
I think she's fantastic.
She is fantastic. She just shouldn't be married to me.
He's giving her a lift home.
Among other things.
Everybody deserves to be happy, right? Come over.
Maybe you and I should sit down and talk about how long this is going to last. Let's talk about you and Edith. The little trips you take.
I want to know what you did.
You want details? Oh my God, you like this?
What do you think the difference is?
Mark Ruffalo.
Jerry loves you.
Laura Dern.
I told him I loved him.
That's enough.
Peter
I
Cross.
refuse to let anyone go unloved.
And
I didn't love you.
Naomi Watts.
Edith!
You shouldn't leave me with Hank like that. I wonder how I'll get caught.
Mom said you were leaving, and you love Edith.
That's just adult foolishness, okay?
Film is on the way home. anymore.
Look for it on DVD.
There's one
I have that. We don't live here. I have that film on. We don't live here anymore. I have that film on VHS. So this is. So I might get that film on DVD.
For what? For my old man. They might kill him. Gambling? How much? 70. How much do you have? 38. If I were you, I'd get a new old man.
See the Spanish kid? He's got a good look, an honest look, but he needs someone to teach him, like a mentor, like me. Otherwise, he falls through the cracks. Most definitely. My sister, who hates me, by the way, calls me at work to tell me some forger I know is puking his guts out all over her 5-star hotel. Not my problem, right? But she claims he's got some deal.
Did he tell you what happened to his last partner, Brian? Make sure he pays you.
One of these will turn up, be the most valuable piece of currency in the history of the United States.
You got this?
Yeah.
I want to.
Guess that makes us lucky. Don't fall for my sister. You don't know her. We're 3 hours from $750,000. We're doing this. You gotta believe it.
What if something goes wrong? You trying to save your daddy? I got everything I have on the line. Everything.
But if you've covered your bases, when you see it come together, it's a beautiful thing.
No!
Look, I admit it. I like getting away with stuff. What does that make me? I'll let you think about that.
Criminal. Look for it on DVD. Following previous chapter of launches with the Motion Picture Association America. Marshall Sexy Picture. Miramax Films and co-produced by Warner Bros.
Ladies and gentlemen, Howard Hughes. I feel like a little adventure.
Do y'all was, Mr. Hughes?
We could build a plane with the ability to fly into the substratosphere.
You're losing $25,000 a day doing this. You could lose everything.
Well, I won't. What does controlling interest in TWA cost me?
You want to
It's
buy
powerful.
it or
Why should I let someone else have all the fun?
Howard, you madman.
I have heard some disquieting rumors about Mr. Hughes.
Hey!
I'd like to know everything there is to know about Mr. Hughes.
See, I want to learn what pleases you.
What's this?
It's a present.
You can buy me dinner. How about that?
My investigators have turned up a lot of dirt.
We are in a street fight. I'm not going to lose. He owns Pan Am. He owns Congress. But he does not own the sky. She'll go faster.
Aviator. In theaters December. Okay. Yeah, in theaters December. This sells the Mod 5 FOSS original version. It's been formatted for your screen. Yep, I'm watching A Home at the End of the World.